Hello, my name is Alain Cardon. I'm a master certified coach from the International Coaching Federation. I would like to share a few things about the upcoming advanced team tools for systemic coaches. Actually, this workshop on 3 days this coming June is focused on tools that can be used in any kind of group work. So you could use it to do some group coaching. In other words, not necessarily a team with a leader, but a number of individual people that want to be coached. So that's a group coaching. It could be used for network coaching. It could be used in family coaching. It can be used in all these tools could be used in any collective setting, even for trainers or personal development specialists, maybe even consultants in certain cases. So the purpose of the workshop is to share the tools so you could use them immediately after the training. The second purpose is also to explore your own dimensions in or using those tools. In other words, as a participant, you need to experiment the tools to see what they bring you so as to and the other participants in a collective setting so as to see the potential of these tools to help people work on themselves as a group, as a team, as individuals. So basically, they're exploratory tools that can be used in a lot of different settings. But you first have to go through it yourself. So the 3 days, each day is centered on one tool. You'll experiment it as a participant. Then we'll have train the trainer kind of discussions on how to use the tools so that you can leave with these tools in your hands to use them in your profession. You can also come as a manager. In other words, it will help you uh, see patterns, learn how to see patterns. It's patterns training tools about collective patterns, individual patterns. The themes are on communication, on understanding linguistics, really focusing on the linguistic aspect of communication. Another dimension is also on cooperation, collaboration, negotiation, um, team dynamics, collective dynamics, leadership. And a third is on your different skills in relationship, in feeling, in your senses, in developing all kinds of sensory aspects that play a huge role in all communication, whether it's one-on-one and or in collective settings. So there's three dimensions that are really central on those 3 days with three tools. One is on your sensory capacities, one is on linguistic dimensions, one is on negotiation, inter-team, inter-system, larger system, even organization coaching. So there's a lot of different dimensions packed in these 3 days. If you decide to come, get ready to really commit, to really involve yourself, really be ready to be challenged, of course, and ready to learn. 3 days in Bucharest on location. And the exact dates, I can't remember, but it's 16, 17, 18 of June. Go to my website, that's metasystem-coaching.eu, and connect and see you soon. I hope. Goodbye. Stop.